So I'm joined now by Caroline. Caroline, thanks so much for joining me today and taking the time to talk to me. You had a talk this morning, I was able to catch it and really enjoyed it. But for the viewers at home, if you could give an overview of what you spoke about and what you were hoping people would take away from it.
No problem, and thank you for that. It's always really nice to talk to you. So what I talked about this morning was trying to talk about the data revolution, but when I talk about the data revolution, I'm meaning the internal revolution. So how do you capture the hearts and the minds of people to actually convince them that data is worth taking the time to do right? So that's what the talk was about, and the key takeaways was actually, remember the people, keep it simple, keep it consistent. Everybody's dealing in data, so let's not overcomplicate things.
Yeah, definitely. So kind of around that then, how can organisations really transform by using data?
So for me, I think it's about getting the basics right. So on stage as well, and I often talk about it's so much more powerful if you can convince everybody to head in the same direction and actually buy them time off the hamster wheel than it is just trying to hire some really, really smart people and put them in an ivory tower. I like smart people and I think we need them too, but hiding them in the ivory tower is not going to do a lot of good. So if you spend time actually making sure that people understand how you want them to treat data and what you want them to get out of it, and so you do the whole practical and pragmatic steps, but aspirational. It has to be within touch, but it has to be something that you stretch for, and it's how you sell that and create that journey of data.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that's perfect, and hopefully we can get to that point more quickly. So thank you so much today, Caroline. Thank you.